Today we are going to be talking about sporadic Alzheimer's disease.
This type of Alzheimer's occurs mostly in people over the age of 65. It can take up to 20 years to develop.
In the brain, there is a molecule called APP. In a healthy brain, this molecule dissolves and there are no beta amyloid pieces left behind.
However, in Alzheimer's, the APP molecule doesn't dissolve properly. This results in fragments of a sticky protein called beta amyloid. These fragments build up to form plaques in the brain, as shown here.
In Alzheimer's disease, the plaques form between the neurons of the brain, ultimately causing the brain cells to die.
In the first stage, these plaques begin to form in a part of the brain called the hippocampus, as shown right here. This section of the brain is responsible for storing and retrieving information. It becomes harder to form memories, and it is also difficult to recall recent events.
In the second stage of Alzheimer's, the region of the brain where language is processed is affected. It becomes harder to find the right words when speaking.
At the third stage, the front of the brain where logical thoughts are formed are affected. The individual loses the ability to solve problems and to grasp concepts.
In the fourth stage, the part of the brain where emotions are controlled are affected. This wreaks havoc on the individual.
In the fifth stage, the Alzheimer's reaches this part of the brain where the five senses are affected. This can cause hallucinations amongst the individual.
In the sixth stage of Alzheimer's, the plaques reach the back of the brain, where the individual's oldest memories are stored. The plaque takes over this region and the individual has no recollection of his or her past.
This slow progression of the formation of plaques in the brain over several years can lead to death.